All right, welcome back. Time for the futures outlook. Copper, as we said, hitting its highest levels now since 2018. It's up more than 30% this year. Let's bring in Bill Baruch of Blue Line Futures and Brian Stutland of Equity Armor Investments. Guys, good to see you. Bill Baruch, you first. Where does it go from here?
Strong demand out of China is obviously driving this here. Hopes of U.S. stimulus, hopes of more infrastructure spending. Let's also not forget the Chinese yuan. So we do have a breakout on our hands, out above a trend line from 2011. And then we pulled back and retested it. Very constructive. But don't get too excited too quick, because there's still a nice little channel here. If you can draw from the July highs and the August lows that we're running into today. We're still range bound, but I do expect it to break out after the election and into 2021.
Stutz?
Yeah, I mean, I think when you look at copper and you look at the manufacturing picture and some of the good numbers we're getting out of China here, if the economy starts to get back on track in 2021, if we get a vaccine and things start moving along, there's been so much money pumped in the system. It seems like every commodity is sort of taking a turn and breaking out to the upside, as we've seen that go on this whole year, from lumber, copper, gold, whatever it is. Someone has a turn to break out. It's now copper's turn. I expect an upside objective here of 340 on copper. I think the breakout above 310 after this little bottoming process, if you've taken a look at it over the last month or so, the next breakout level would be resistance up at 340. I think we can get to there by the end of the year. It seems like the bull market and the money being pumped in, if we get a stimulus package passed finally, whether it's either this week or after the election, that's going to move copper to the upside.
Okay, good stuff. Guys, thank you. We'll talk to you soon.